Hey Jess, it's Kate. I thought it was only fair I respond to your video as well and acknowledge that I watched your response to mine. I like that you liked my video and appreciated my visual aids, so I put a lot of work into it, so I'm glad it was easy to understand, so that was great. I also really liked your video. It seems we did a lot of the same stuff, so we picked isoleucine that could replace leucine, but just because both are hydrophobic. Isoleucine is also a I can't think of the word right now. Isomer, there it is, of leucine. So they're the same weight, and they're both hydrophobic, so both would be really good as the zip of the leucine zipper. So they would both be really great. We also both picked serine for what would make it not as strong because it is in fact hydrophilic. So it would invite the aqueous solution in and pull the leucine zipper apart. So we both had that going. It seems like we both really understood it. We both knew that the electrostatic forces contributed to the stability of the leucine zipper as well as the hydrophobic bonds. So that's really cool that we both understood it. So yeah, it was nice to meet you, and I guess we'll be doing more of these projects in the same group.